Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor today with Aaron back with us, and Aaron's been gone for what, about 3 weeks?
2 weeks.
Yeah, and since we've seen Aaron, he's injured his mid back and his rib cage a lot, so he's got a lot of pain in his rib cage, especially around the right side, and he's developed some neck pain and rib pain in the upper back as well. So we're going to be adjusting all that for you, and let's take a look at you here. And let's have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards for me, please, Aaron. I want to thank you for all the nice comments that you guys have left on his last video and the views that he's gotten on it. It's been great. He actually showed that to his medical doctor as well and told him how much chiropractic was helping him with that. And that's the way the MDs get educated about us, is really through the patients, because most medical doctors are so used to just writing prescriptions and doing the medical treatments on people, they forget there's alternative treatments out there for people that can help them other than medicine or surgery. Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and decompress you here first. And we're just seeing Aaron basically on an as-needed basis. He's not really on a treatment plan or schedule of any kind. And we do that with a lot of our patients. So we don't put people on big, long treatment programs 3 times a week for 6 months or a year, $10,000. We see people for what their needs are. We get them well and get them out living their lives, because that's what we're supposed to be doing. Yeah, you're kicking good there, Aaron, pre-adjustment. So let's see here. There we go. And just close your eyes for me and take a nice deep breath through your nose. Let all your air out. Oh, yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. Now, you notice I didn't pull really hard on Aaron. He got better reflexes already, because he's got a shunt. And you have to treat every single patient with unique, different forces. Even though it may look like we're doing the same thing a lot of times, every adjustment is different for every single patient. Okay, my friend, now let's have you come over here on your tummy for me, please, sir. There we go. Yeah, let's go on your tummy there. Okay, left leg is short by about 1/4 of an inch right now, and as I bring it up, it gets even. I bet you that tightens up in your lower back a little bit right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So his left SI joint's out right there. There we go. Aaron's been through a lot with his health since a youngster. Kidney transplant, dialysis. He's gone through a lot, and this is your first time really experienced with chiropractic, right?
Yes, the second time.
Second visit only, and I mean, he's already seen the difference with the one visit, and then his homework, which I gave him, which he's doing, which is his exercises that we showed him. And it's the patients who do their homework. They sit right, they sleep right, they walk right, they do their home exercises that we show them here. They're the ones that get well and stay well. It's the people who just come in and get adjusted and then go back to sleeping on their stomach all the time, or sit and slouch over their computer all day without doing their exercises, that have to come and keep getting adjusted repetitively, because they're not helping themselves. So I want to give Aaron kudos for doing his homework. There we go. Good. Now I'm going to do some stretching right here, Aaron. There we go. That's a rib movement right there. one more right there. Good. Okay. Legs are exactly even now. Aaron, tell me how this feels versus the first one.
Awesome.
Great. Okay, so we're just going to do some light vibratory massage on you now. We love helping patients like Aaron who's had real difficult health issues that aren't just neck and back pain problems, but organ-related issues, because the nervous system controls and coordinates the function of every organ, muscle, tissue, and cell in your body. So chiropractic is much, much more than just neck pain, back pain, headaches, crack your neck, crack your back, although that's what all you crack addicts want, which is fine, and you hear that in here all the time, but it's really about normal function of the nervous system to all the organs, muscles, tissues, and cells of the body, which allows the body then to function at a much higher level of efficiency and health, and improves a person's health from the inside without putting anything from the outside in or taking anything out of the body. So what we're doing is enhancing that person's own innate health and wellness internally, healing, as opposed to giving pills and potions and shots to introduce chemicals or other things into the body that really aren't meant to be in there. You don't have headaches because you're deficient on acetaminophen or Advil. You don't have back pain because you're deficient on hydrocodone. There are underlying causes for health problems, including organ-related diseases, and if you work with the patient structurally, musculo-ligaminously, neurologically, as well as nutritionally, and exercise, and incorporate all these factors into a person's lifestyle and help them make the lifestyle changes that they need to make, they can become a much healthier individual for the rest of their life. Like we saw an 85-year-old woman this morning, and she adjusted great. I pulled her and decompressed her for the very first time this morning. There we go, good. But she's been eating organically grown fish towards her knee. Other way, there you go. Since she was a little girl, and is doing that still here in Houston. So health is a matter of a lot of different things. Taking care of yourself, eating right, exercising. Getting chiropractic care is an essential ingredient to all of that. There we go. And you see Aaron's got a lot of scar tissue, and where he's getting his injections and his infusions every week. There we go. You have to do that every day, right?
My treatment,
5 times a week?
3 times a week.
3 times a week.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4 times, 4 hours on the machine. So sitting in the chair, Dr. J.
Yeah, I get you too, huh?
Yeah.
Would you mind sharing with our YouTube audience what you told me a few minutes ago about what you shared with your medical doctor about chiropractic care?
Yes, to get more patients in here to do chiropractic and whatnot. Because basically, honestly, the feeling, you know, like doing those stretches and coming to Dr. J is amazing. It's like, it feels so good on the body. And, you know, we go through a lot, you know, already, you know, with dialysis and other stuff. And so, you know, I believe the body needs this stuff.
Yes, it does.
And, you know, to feel good and feel better and to be active and, you know,
Just function better.
just function better. You know, just something about the nervous system, about how it works and stuff like that is amazing. And
So something to this chiropractic after all, huh?
definitely.
Thank you for sharing your story,
Thank you,
Aaron.
Dr.
It's always a
J.
pleasure seeing you,
Thank
and it's
you
always
for
a
what
pleasure
you do.
seeing y'all too. And we'll
Yes,
see you
you
next
too,
time,
Dr.
Mr.
J.
Houston Chiropractor and Aaron from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. Bye bye.
Thank you.
All right, let's go.